candid, after this episode, most of you will have to delete your Paxful account. Okay, you delete your Paxful wallet. Okay, I had about 25 trades, and out of the 25 trades, I only have one successful. And that was the last one. That's because I actually uh, plan it, and I had to use it as a way of escape. Okay, now for many people that have been seeing it on YouTube's videos circulating that you can do clear arbitrage on Paxful, it is not as easy as it is. Okay, I actually brought in BTC. Okay, BTC that actually worth about 100,000, but at least before it got here, it has actually depleted due to transfer fees. Okay, and you can even see how I was locking in escrow, releasing, canceling. These are the wallet transactions. Okay, how I was just canceling and bringing them up. Okay, after this I'm going to delete the application. Of course, after making this video, I'm going to delete the application. It's not as easy as many of them used to say it is. Now the thing is, when you come here and you want to do arbitrage on bank transfer, okay, and you come here and you pick bank transfer here, and of course trusted offers, but I want to sell actually, because I was afraid. I've heard a lot about the scammers here, and I actually want to come here to trade, and I click on trusted offers. Most of these guys here are people I've traded with. Most of them, these percentages you're seeing them here, are actually high, and you might be attracted to them, but in reality most of them will just send you a link at the end of the day when you've opened that trade, that no, that trade has an error, but this is the link, blah blah blah, that you need to actually follow. Now most of the time when you follow the link, you discover that they are now paying below. They're now, the link actually said okay to be below price. Okay, the market price is what they're selling or buying. Now this is an example of a trade that I actually had before. Okay, the guy contacted me, and most of them will want to collect your WhatsApp contact so that they can keep bugging you. Some of them will want to make the trade outside Paxful. Okay, and this is what most of them would do. Majority of them. So if you want to do do arbitrage, I don't think, from my experience, I don't think it's good for you to use bank transfer. Okay, when you come to the market here, you want to sell, you can actually select other form of payment. Okay, we have gift cards, we will have other bank payments, cryptocurrencies, and so on. Okay, we have gift card here. If you know how to actually do the arbitrage and sell it on a high price, it's fine. Okay, another thing you can still do here is possibly you create your own advertisement. Believe you me, your advertisement might stay there for long. That's the truth. Because if you have the intention to have massive gain of what you're selling, you might not see much people to actually buy from you. Now, I actually go ahead and finally sold it. I came to the bit. I mean, the I changed it to USDT here, that I want to sell to USDT, and as I was able to sell. Now, if you check here, you see that most of them in USDT section, they don't have exorbitant rates. When you put your trust offers on, in my wallet, I came here and I did the conversion. So I converted from BTC back to USDT. Now, from BTC to USDT, or Ethereum to USDT, or Ethereum to BTC, they're going to charge you for 0.5%, which is the fee. Binance, it's free, zero, zilch, nada. But here, it actually is 0.5% of your money that will be deducted, and that was what was deducted. Okay, and well, the first instance I even had at selling it, I was able to sell it at a good rate. Okay, when I put on the trusted offers, I went in, I was able to sell it, and it went out positively. Okay, this is a trade I've been on since yesterday. It's more than 48 hours trying to sell this coin out now. I just completed it not quite long. Okay, so the thing is, have it at the back of your mind that selling or making money off Paxful is real actually, but there are some things you can't do. Okay, there's some things that are not realistic. Another way you can still make money off this is if you have applications. Okay, if you have applications, all these financial applications that allow you to have money in other African currencies. Okay, you understand what I mean? The like of AfriX, the likes of Transify, TransferWise, many of them use that. Okay, so basically what you do is this. So many of them have a way of spreading their tentacles to other Africa. So you can put Kenya here. So assuming you have the Kenya shillings, you have an account. Okay, maybe any of these applications help you. It's just for you to check very well, and you'll be able to check um, based on trusted offers, non-exorbitant rates. Okay, if you know that if you do the conversion, look at how it is here. If you know that you do the conversion and it's going to work for you, please you can go ahead. Okay, you can come here to, let me change it to the Kenyan money. Okay, so you just the Kenyan shilling, so you can just do that if you know that the conversion back, okay, to the Nigerian naira is going to make a lot of sense for you. You could do this. Okay, you sell it to your Kenyan shillings account, then from your Kenyan shillings account you convert to naira. So most of the applications use exorbitant high fees, so and high rates rather. So some of them now, the rate is currently 745. Some of them go high. Okay, so if you know that is going to be more profitable for you, you can use Ghana. um, you can use I think Cote d'Ivoire, Uganda. Yes, Uganda is one of the um, transborder arbitrage you can do also. All right, so that's the little one I have today for you, for everyone. Please like and subscribe to my channel. I'm going to bring in more arbitrage opportunity, trying it with my money. Okay, so I'm not going to be doing audio arbitrage. So I'm going to be testing the waters for you. Thank you very much.